Hello gem enthusiasts, and welcome back to another edition of the Gem Geek with the concierge gemologist, Jake Talby Goodman. Today, we're shifting gears from the world of dazzling gemstones to explore the essential world of industrial diamonds. Industrial diamonds might not possess the captivating sparkle of their gem-quality counterparts, but they play a vital role in our modern world. These diamonds are typically classified as unsuitable for jewelry due to flaws, imperfections, and lack of brilliance. However, their exceptional hardness makes them ideal for industrial applications. Industrial diamonds can range in color from colorless to yellow, brown, gray, or even black. Like gem-quality diamonds, industrial diamonds share the same remarkable property of being the hardest natural material on Earth. The exceptional hardness, measured at a 10 at the Mohs scale, allows them to scratch almost any other substance. Their high thermal conductivity also makes them resistant to heat, a valuable property for industrial applications. Industrial diamonds form just like gem-quality diamonds under extreme pressure and high temperatures deep within the Earth's mantle over millions of years. The presence of these diamonds closer to the Earth's surface, often through volcanic eruptions, makes them more accessible for mining compared to some deeper diamond deposits. Major sources of industrial diamonds are spread across the globe, with some of the leading producers including Russia, Botswana, South Africa, Canada, and Australia. Industrial diamonds are utilized in a wide range of industrial processes. Their cutting ability makes them essential for sawing, grinding, drilling, and polishing various materials. They are used in construction applications, stone cutting tools, and even in the manufacturing of medical equipment. The versatility and effectiveness of industrial diamonds are what make them so crucial in our modern world. While industrial diamonds share many similarities with gem-quality diamonds in terms of hardness and composition, they often require specialized equipment to definitively identify them due to their low transparency or visibility of internal characteristics. Trained gemologists can utilize techniques like X-ray fluorescence to analyze the diamond's chemical composition and confirm its identity. Industrial diamonds, although not sparkling in the traditional sense, are the unsung heroes of our modern world. Their exceptional hardness and unique properties make them irreplaceable tools across various industries. From construction and manufacturing to medicine, industrial diamonds play a significant role in shaping our world. The Gem Geek is your resource for everything gemstones. Stay tuned for future videos exploring the fascinating world of gems, their properties, and their significance. Remember to like and follow our content so you are notified when there's something new to see. Thank you for joining us.